Question 40, JAMB Mathematics. Yes, this is the last question from our JAMB 2023 past question. So we give thanks to the Almighty Allah, and we give thanks to our followers who have been encouraging us with their follow, share, like, and comments. We appreciate all your words of encouragement. God bless you all. Let's see the question. The frequency distribution above shows the ages in years of some children at a birthday party. Find the variance of the distribution. Yeah, this is a statistics question. And we are given a table which contains a grouped frequency distribution. So this is a group frequency distribution table. So this is one of the things that stress students the most in secondary school, and they are always running away from it. But it's not hard. We just have to be careful when doing it. Now, for a group frequency distribution, the formula of the variance, let me write it somewhere around here. The formula for the variance is taken as V equal to sigma f bracket x minus bar x all squared all over sigma f, where sigma stands for summation sign. Or we take it as V equal to sigma f x squared all over sigma f minus sigma fx all over sigma f all squared. We can use any one of these two formulae to calculate our variance, but I would prefer the second one because it is always direct and it's not stressing. Good. Let's reconstruct our table vertically so that we can have more space. Now, looking at this formula will determine what I will have on my table. Ages first, 1 to 3 first, then 4 to 6 next, and finally 7 to 9. Now, what's the frequency of this? We have 10. That's the frequency. For this, we have 7. For this, we have 3. Now, we need to take the sum of the frequency because we have it in our formula. Sum of the frequency, that's 10 plus 7. That's 17. 17 plus 3, that will give me 20. Good. I move. Now, another thing that I need from this formula is x. X represent the class mark, or you call it the mid-class mark. It's not possible for us to use all the scores here to compute the variance. So we need one specific score which will fall at the middle of each class. How do we compute that? That's x. We add the lower limit plus the upper limit and divide by 2. That's 1 plus 3 here. That's 4. 4 divided by 2. I will have 2. The second class, 4 plus 6, I have 10. 10 divided by 2, I have 5. 7 plus 9, that's 16. 16 divided by 2, that will give me 8. Good. Now, as well from the formula, I need x squared. Let's take our x squared. That means I will square each score that I have here, each mark. 2 squared will give me 4. 5 squared will give me 25. And 8 squared will give me 64. Now, from here, from here first, I need the product of each frequency and each mark. So I need to multiply what is in this column by what is in this column. So let's reconstruct, let's form another column for fx and another column for fx squared. Fx squared. Good. Fx means 10 times 2. That will give me 20. Oh, sorry. That will give me 20 here. 7 times 5. That will give me 35 here. 3 times 8. That will give me 24 here. Now, I need the sum of fx. Sum of this. So, adding this together, I have 20 plus 35. That will give me 55. 55 plus 24. That will give me 79 for this. Good. Let's move on. I need to multiply fx squared. So that means this column and this column. That's 10 times 4 in the first case. That will give me 40. 7 times 25. 7 times 25. That's 175. Followed by 3 times 64. 3 times 64. That's 192. So let's take the sum. 40 plus 175 plus 190 plus 192. That gives me 407. Now, so far, we have gotten all what we need in this formula. The next thing is just to apply the formula. Let me clear this part of the board so I can compute my variance. Rewriting the second formula, I have variance equal to sigma fx squared all over sigma f minus sigma fx over sigma f all squared. Good. That will give me, so sigma fx from the board, fx squared from the board, that's 79. Then summation f from the board, that's 20, minus summation fx, that's summation, summation fx squared. Summation fx squared is supposed to be 407. 407 fx squared. This is where we have fx squared. Summation means the total of it. So it's 407. Now, for summation fx, I need 79 divided by summation f, which is 20 also. Now, let's compute this. It's 407 divided by 20. That gives me 20.35 minus 79 divided by 20. That gives me 3.95. So let's subtract 3.95 from 20.35. That gives me 16.4. That gives me 16. Oh, sorry. I omitted the square of this. So I need to take the square of this first. So that means 20.35 minus square of 3.95. Square of 3.95. That's 3.95 times 3.95. That gives me 15.6025. Let's subtract this from here. So let's subtract this from 20.35. That gives me 4.7475. Approximately I have 4.75, which is option B. Thank you.